Hey, what's up, everybody? This your boy named Jaquan. If you're here watching this video for the first time and you're looking for the best way how to start making money with affiliate marketing and you never made any money online before, this might be your first chance to watch this video all the way from the start and finish because I want to show you a good strategy of learning how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Now, let me introduce you myself. My name is Jaquan. I've been doing affiliate marketing for about 3 years now, and it completely changed my life. And the reason why I make videos almost every day is because I like to teach you guys on learning how to make money online with affiliate marketing or other affiliate networks without even having to spend zero money on ads. Okay, so guys, ladies and gentlemen, if you really looking for the opportunity to make money from home and you're looking for the best way how to make $300 per day or more, then keep watching this video all the way to the end because I'm going to show you a trick that you can double your money without even paying zero ads. All right, so if you like this video, please do me a favor right now. Please like this video, comment down below, say, hey, I'm ready to start learning how to make money in 2022. And then I want you to make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn those notification bells. This lets YouTube know every time when I drop a new video, you'll be notified. Okay? So without that being said, let's head over now. All right, so some of you guys who probably don't know about Digistore24. Now, Digistore24 is an affiliate network program that you can, as an affiliate, you get to promote other people's products and services, and you make a commission for it. So basically, say you get a commission. Say you get you promote weight loss. So basically, if somebody is looking to lose weight and they go through the process of reading everything that's been provided, and if they like it, and then if they want to click on your link and then decide to buy, you're going to make a commission from that. Okay, it could be from 75 to 100% commissions. All right, so you get half of that and the vendor takes half and you get half. All right, so that's how it works. All right, so what you're gonna do here, you're gonna register, and then all you're gonna pretty much just register as an affiliate. So what you want to do, register as an affiliate. Make sure you fill all your information. Okay, fill out all the fill out all of your rest of the information, so that way you can get registered with Digistore24. Okay. One thing I want you to do is click this button right here that say required, because Digistore24 is gonna send you an email stating that whenever they have new products they're gonna pre-launching, then that's when you're gonna get the update. Okay, the latest update about the new products that's gonna be launching. Okay, pretty soon. So make sure you do that. So I'm going to log in, and then we're gonna hit marketplace. Okay, and then once you hit marketplace, we can see, like, we can pick any niche that what product we can promote. So right now we're gonna go for the health and fitness, and then we're gonna do the ultimate keto meal plan. Okay, and the average commission they paying out is 85%, and the earnings are $42.33. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, what we want to do here, we want to build a landing page for this. Okay, so we want to build a landing page so people can get their free book, their free keto meal book. Okay, so basically they can get a free keto ultimate keto meal plan book. So let's look at the sales page for a second. Okay, this is a video sales letter. So basically they can watch this all the way to the end, and then once they get done watching this, and if they decide to buy, then guess what? You're gonna make $42.33 per sale. So every customer that decides to buy this product from you, that you are promoting, you're gonna make a sale. All right. So that's how it works. Okay. So we already seen that. So now let's go to the affiliate support page. Okay. All right. Now look at all these right here. Look at all these right here. These are like commissions that's been coming in every single minute. You got $24, $24, $24, 24, 24, 22, 24, 22, 33, 24, 24. These are all commissions, okay? These are like the real people that are actually making money. All right? So what we're going to do, we're going to use some of these, okay? So give me one moment, let me sign in. Okay. So guys, once you're done, I want you to watch this video that's going to explain everything what you need to know, and so you can set up the landing page and start promoting this product. Okay. You can also contact the vendors too, let them know, just keep a brief combo, keep a little brief description, let them know that, hey, I'm new here and I wanted to promote this product, and I see that your product is good, and I see that other people is buying, customers are buying it, and I see you guys have a good product, so I'm willing to promote it and give value to people. Give value, show value to people, and reach out to them. Okay, so that's what you're supposed to do. All right. So what we're gonna do here, let's see. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna download the keto recipes. These are keto recipes that's telling you something, but we need that. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Gonna need that book. Okay. You know what? Freak it. All right, let's do it like this. We're gonna put something like this. Okay. So I'm gonna exit out of here. And then guys, what you want to do, you want to come to a website called cinnamon.io. I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below, so that way you have full access to this amazing opportunity. Okay, so that way you can build your funnel. Okay, so I'm gonna look at the pricing. Okay, so it's free to sign up. So basically you get 2,000 contacts, you get unlimited email sent, you get 3 sales funnels, you get 10 sales funnels, etc., etc. But guys, if you want to build a landing page, if you want to make sales, you have to build a landing page for a product. Okay, it doesn't have to look so good, just make it look decent a little bit. It doesn't have to look so perfect and everything. All right, just make sure you follow the flow. Just watch me what I do. Okay, so here we go right now. All right, I'm gonna log in right now. Okay, this is your affiliate dashboard right here, as you can see. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create, and then we're going to call this one Keto Meal Plan for Beginners. Okay, all right. We don't need a thank you page because we don't need that. Okay. All right. So what we're looking for, okay, we're looking for something like this. And then we're going to edit. All right. So I guess we can remove the background. We can remove the background. We don't need the background. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do now, we need to go back. We need to go back here. and we need to put the ultimate. We need to call the name the ultimate keto meal plan. Okay. We don't need that. We could call that. Okay. We can move this up a little bit. Hold up. Hold on, guys. I messed up on something. Alright, there we go. Alright. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna come over here, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna say we just need their email. We don't need their name. We don't need their name. We just need their email. So basically, I'm just gonna say please type in your email. For keto meal plan. All right. And then what we need to do, we need to change that. We're going to say something like all right, and then if possible. All right. And then what we need to do, we need to change the button color. So we need to do change it to red. All right. So that's good enough. All right, y'all. So now the next thing we need to do, we need to add a background. We need to add a background color. But actually, we can add a background. We need to add a background image. Guys, give me one moment, okay? One moment. So now, guys, I just found out something. So now what we want to do, we want to open the URL, okay? And then what we want to do, we want to grab our affiliate link from Digistore24, come back to Cinemy.io, and then bam, place it, and then save it. Okay, and that's how you do it. See, it's so simple, guys. So simple. All you have to do is do what I do. Okay. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. Okay. So now we can check this out. Okay. I'm gonna use the display email. So it might take me here. So there you go, guys. That's how you do it. All right. So that's about it. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video, but I want to show you something else too before that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Pinterest. Okay. This way you get free traffic. Okay. So guys, you always want to create a business account with Pinterest. Okay. All right. You always want to create a business account. Okay. So we're gonna create a pin, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to keto. All right, there we go. All right, and then what we're gonna say is like, get your free keto recipes. Get your free keto recipe. All right, and then what we're gonna leave it this we're gonna leave a brief description about the product. So basically, we're gonna like, this keto recipe for people who are looking to lose weight now, who are looking to lose weight fast in a hurry. Fast in a hurry. So if you want to learn more, please click and please click the pin to get your free keto recipes. All right, you see now my destination link. We're gonna copy this, and then we're just gonna paste it in here. Okay. But guys, if you want to get a domain name, you can. So that way you can also, so you don't have to use like your name as a domain, but you always want to like buy a domain name as you're doing a create a landing page for this. Okay. So we're going to say, we're gonna create a new board, and we're gonna say keto. We're just gonna call this free keto recipes. All right, and now we can publish this. All right, so we already published it. So now we just gotta wait until Pinterest review it. Okay, so that's how you do it, guys. So I want to thank you guys for watching my video. So if you're new here and you're looking for the best way how to start making money online, then go ahead and do me a favor right now. Like this video, comment down below, say, hey, I'm ready to start making money online in 2022. And then I want my free bonuses. And then on top of that, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, and make sure you hit that notification bell too, because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing without having no experience. And on top of that, you don't have to pay a single dime. Okay, so that's about it. So without that being said, guys, my name is Digistore24, and thank you for watching, and hope I get to see you another time. All right, y'all. Peace and have a good day. Be safe out there. All right. Peace out, y'all.